But one thing I would like to tell, in India, large Muslim community, they don't subscribe to ISI ideology. They still believe in liberal Islam. Sufi influence is very deep rooted. But nevertheless, we have noticed in the middle class, especially coming from affluence background, youth are attracted to their program, not only in India but also in the Western Europe, America, Australia, Canada, number of countries. Reports are coming in, joining in. Then in India, second thing, we already have CME and some other organization which are operating, which have already developed their contacts in Pakistan, Afghanistan, and the reports have also suggested that some of them have even gone and met leaders of ISS. So this is a matter of concern. There is a need to be vigilant. And I think apart from the government or intelligence agencies, I believe that the Muslim clerics should also be involved in countering their propaganda. It's a very powerful force, which will they should also join the debates, at least in these Urdu channels or Islamic channels which are operating. They should be brought in, and along with the political analyst and sociologist, and discuss in detail about the danger of ISS and how it is un-Islamic act which they are committing. I still believe, a lot of youth have rejected it, but it's a big country, almost 15 crore Muslims are living here. If few joins, for us it become, for India it's become very big. And then second thing, these youth do not have much support among the community, so they normally go very secretly. And we have also seen that they have been rejected by the community. In case of Arif also, even his father, have informed the police, cooperated with the Indian agencies to bring him back. So it looks, and he said that what his son is doing is not correct. So that is still, hope is there. I think. That is true. They have a very powerful propaganda machinery, which is attracting youth. In the case of Arif has mentioned, that when he saw the website and he saw the telephone number was mentioned in that, and he contacted directly to them. He was not asked by any CME or any other organization. This group of people from Kalyan in Bombay, they directly got in touch with the ISS. So similarly, we believe, other students or youth, might have also, be in touch with the ISS or other. ISS is looking towards India, Pakistan and other places, because the large number of Muslim community. And the second thing, ISS is an organization which needs a lot of people, because they are in control of large territories in Iraq and Syria, and they're finding it difficulty in maintaining that. So they're using small kids, they are using young girls in their fight against against the Americans, against the Iraqi army or the Syrian army, plus they are recruiting from people from outside, and they are under terrible pressure from all sides. It is a great matter of concern. It looks some organization is behind it. They are working not only in Purulia and other places, maybe also, because we have seen some poster or banners have appeared in Kashmir, then Purulia has come, or maybe some other places which we don't know. It looks there is some people, either it is CME or some other organization. In this region, CME is quite likely, because they have some influence there among the youth be doing this sort of activities. But I am very sure also in India, the intelligence agencies are quite capable and well trained in handling this type of situation.
Powered by NNIS.